In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Zoho Books. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be at your main dashboard, where you can access the different areas of your business records. For this task, we'll be working inside the Expenses section. From the main menu, go to Purchases and then select Expenses. This is where you can view existing expense entries and create new ones. Once you're on the Expenses page, open the Record Expense tab to begin entering a new transaction. Now choose the date of the expense. It's important to select the correct date so your records stay accurate and your reporting reflects when the cost actually occurred. Next, go to the Expense Account field and choose the appropriate account. This step helps categorize the expense properly, which is useful for bookkeeping, reporting, and understanding where your money is going. After that, enter the amount of the expense. Make sure the number matches the receipt or source document exactly to avoid discrepancies later. You'll then need to choose the tax preference. Select either tax inclusive or tax exclusive, depending on how the amount was recorded. This tells Zoho Books whether tax is already included in the amount you entered or should be added separately. In the Paid Through field, select the payment account used for the transaction. For example, this could be a bank account, cash account, or another payment source. Choosing the correct account ensures the payment is reflected properly in your books. Next, select the applicable tax from the tax dropdown. Be sure to use the correct tax setting for the expense so your totals and tax reports remain accurate. Then choose a vendor in the vendor field. If the vendor hasn't been added yet, you can create a new one here. This helps keep your records organized and makes future searches easier. If needed, enter a value in the Reference Number field. This can be useful for tracking invoice numbers, receipt numbers, or internal references. In the Notes field, add any relevant details about the expense. This is a great place to include context that may help later, especially when reviewing transactions or preparing reports. If the expense is related to a specific customer, select that customer in the Customer Name field. This is especially helpful if you need to track billable or project-related expenses. To attach proof of the transaction, click Upload your files and add a receipt or supporting document. Keeping attachments with the expense entry can save time and improve record keeping. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the expense, or choose Save and New if you want to enter another one right away. Thanks for watching.